Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the next part of the Assemble on Soneium campaign. This is on Superboard, another project like Layer 3, where they host quests and campaigns and reward users for their participation. And here you can earn up to 25,000 in rewards or a share of that just by completing some of these quests in this campaign. And it's super easy. And before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. And like I said, claim your share of 25,000 in rewards from Soneium and Superboard. And if you do need any help navigating this, I have a Discord. Link is down below. Check it out. In the welcome section, you'll be asked a few questions right here. And once you submit, go to the rules and guidelines, click the thumbs up, and you will have access to all these wonderful channels. So thank you to everyone that's in there. Also, check me out on X, the BCR142. I share a lot of stuff that I can't get to on YouTube. And I also go live here with on DeFi Crypto and Airdrop. I co-host a show with Veteran Crypto, and we go live twice a week, Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. So check us out and give him a follow too. We're dropping a lot of alpha. We got a lot of videos and shorts coming. We just did a live today, and it's a lot of good stuff. So check us out, and let's get into it. Let me close these out so I have some more PC power. So let's get into it. Meet SoneFi. They're Soneium's leading DEX with automated market makers, perps, and meme launches. So this is not financial advice. Prediction markets involve risks. Participate at your own discretion. Swap via SoneFi. Swap any token of your choice on the Soneium network. Kitty cat running around. All right. So now connect our wallet. Swap any amount. So I'm just going to do this a little swap of USDT. There's your swap. And then now we open a perpetual trade with USDC.E. So approve USDC.E as your initial collateral and enter a leverage long or short position. So go to the perps right here. And I think we might need more leverage long. Let's just see what we can do with this. Minimum is $10. So you do need $10 in USDC. So let's go. Let's actually check out another one. If we swap, we'll swap on Velodrome next. So that way, so we need USDC. And since we've already done a swap on here, we're going to do a swap on here on Velodrome. Let's connect our wallet, sign in, and we will swap for some USDC 0.0065. Yeah. So I need at least $10 in order to complete that task of trading. Let's verify this one real quick. Bada boom. Okay. Now we'll go back to this perpetual trading on SoneFi. Now we have our balance of USDC. So let's do that leverage, and we're just going to do a little bit, and you can place a long or a short. This is all up to you, whatever you want to do, but the transaction itself, you just need to open and close. You don't have to actually trade it. Let me see if I can. You need to actually open this. So we'll go long. There's your position right here. Zoom in a little bit. There you go. I'm going to close this. I don't really care to have it open. And let's go ahead and refresh this. We should be good to go. There we go. You don't have to join their Discord, but just complete that. And there we go. So close out of here. Make sure you disconnect. Now we've got our 50 super. Let's go on to the next one. So we'll continue on with the Velodrome. So now that we swapped on there, we will provide liquidity for any token pair. Let's go back to Velodrome, or actually, let's see if we can swap somewhere else. We'll move SONEX over here, and I'm going to swap on SONEX because in order to provide liquidity right here, add liquidity, you want an equal amount of tokens. So let's see, any pair. So I'm gonna do a USDC. I'll change, nope, we need this on Soneium. So wrapped ETH USDC, wrap ETH USDC. So let's go over here to SONEX. We'll connect our wallet. So we want USDC to wrapped ETH or to USDT. Network error. Refresh this. I guess not wanting to work properly. SONEX we might have issues with. So we're gonna skip this one. Deposit and trade. We'll just go back here and USDT, 4 chains, Soneium. All right, now it swaps. Once we get this swap, we can move this into our liquidity pool. Let's go with the Soneium. Sure, it's the Soneium chain. USDC. We'll do this one. Let's do full and continue. Let's do equal amount. You can do 50 cents, 10 cents, but make sure it's an equal amount of each asset. All right, token approval for both assets, and now we supply our deposit. I don't know how many of these we need to go through, but come on, let's go. Thought I already did this. I think it might have glitched and done it twice. So it looks like it completed it. So let's go to liquidity and no dashboard. There you go. So it did deposit it for us. It just, oh, that's this other one. Close out of there, get your super tokens. And now what you want to do is come into here, click withdraw, and get your tokens back so we can reuse them in the next quest, which is meet SuperVol, the first gamified options trading platform. Remember, this is not financial advice. This involves risk. And you can close that out. So deposit USDC.E and place 1 trade. Pick under or over for any crypto asset pair. A good thing we kept some USDC.E. We'll connect our wallet and we will, right, deposit USDC, deposit $2, approve your token allowance, and then deposit. Now that we've deposited, let's pick next 5 minutes. So these are 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, and 20 minute intervals. So let's say we'll go over next 5 minutes. Oh, never mind. That's not minutes. I'm sorry. Where's the time frame? That's the dollar amount. I'm sorry. I had it wrong. And then okay, so I was looking for the time frame. Let's go over. Pay $1 is the minimum. So $2, $5, $10, $20. It looks like 1 minute intervals. Wow. Looks like that spiked right before. I mean, you can't get really any better than that. That's ridiculous. That's so funny. That's so great. That's cool to see. So that's 1 minute amount. I don't know how that. Okay. Let's see. Verify. That's it. Let's see. Can we claim our prize? Results to be determined. Oh, that's interesting. So weird. So it was like a halfway. That's interesting. All right. Now we know how that works. There you go. We'll play that later. Next is meet Synstation. So this is stake, predict, and earn from entertainment events on Soneium. So remember, not financial advice. Make your first prediction on Synstation. So use minimum 10 USDC to buy shares and bet on anything. Synstation will soul flip ETH in 2025. Nope. Let's see. I'm just going to spend a little bit of USDC. I'm just going to click 1 and see if this works. So it looks like all these are voting and you can win if it goes in your favor. So I'm going to buy this. That first one was your token approval. Now this one is the actual purchase. So you need 2 separate transactions for this. And there we go. So you don't need $10, don't worry. So go ahead and vote on some of these and invite a friend through a referral code. Oh, okay. Well, that's lame. So referral code, leaderboard. I mean, I don't have a referral code, so well, I can't use one right now. So I guess that one's temporarily done. Oh, let me close out of that one. And last up, we have Meet Sonova, a native NFT marketplace for Soneium. So we will follow on X and Discord, and then we'll mint the NFT Super Monsters on Sonova. Got my kitty cat back here chilling. Sonova. Super Monsters on Superchain World. They're waiting for upcoming festival on Soneium with XXX. Let's go here, verify your wallet. Everyone can mint. We need to swap. Let's swap. Oh, we can't swap on Soneium. Go to Sonus again, because we need to do a swap real quick. We don't have enough to mint. Oh yeah, the USDT. That's right. We got our USDT. I'm gonna swap this back into ETH. Anything? Is it moving? Maybe I need to use a different one. Maybe it's just getting real slow on my PC. Might need to move a bunch of stuff off of here. So let's go ahead and swap for this. Now we should be able to come back here and mint this. See what it costs. About $2. 0.0012 ETH. So there we go. Transaction sent. And you are good to go. Boom. There you go. So that is it for this part of the Soneium, assemble on Soneium. I didn't really mint there or do a whole lot for the Soneium badges last month. But I am participating in this campaign. But yeah, we'll see what it turns out to be like. Hopefully they'll give some good rewards, but we'll keep it on and knocking these out one at a time because there's quite a bit, 26 to be exact. So remember, I have a Discord, link is down below. Catch me on X, Twitter, all that fun stuff. And catch us live Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern on DeFi, Crypto, and Airdrop. So with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.